What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for joining me here. My name is Aiden Resendiz over at Volkswagen and Audi of Fall River. Super excited today to show you one of our new features that we're seeing coming into these new Volkswagens here, sedans all the way across to our SUV models as well, called Travel Assist. Now, Travel Assist is a semi-autonomous driving feature. They call it semi-autonomous because they want you to keep track of the road as you are driving. It's not a full self-drive capability like the Tesla is. They don't want you falling asleep at the wheel, but at the end of the day, it does do the same functions as the Tesla. So I want to show you around this. A lot of my customers, I show this feature, not quite on board with it. It's a new sort of technology that we're not used to seeing nowadays. So I want to show you how smooth and comfortable it actually is and give you a little bit more information about it. So why don't we jump inside the vehicle and I'll join you on the road. Alrighty guys, thanks for joining me inside of this beautiful 2022 Volkswagen Atlas SEL R line. Now I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to actually use this function before I get on the road and demonstrate it here for you. So on the left hand side of the steering wheel you have the controls to actually activate this feature. Now these are the controls for the standard cruise control and adaptive cruise control as well, so even if you're not implementing the semi-autonomous driving feature, you can still use your adaptive cruise control or cruise control if you prefer not to use that adaptive function. Now top right is going to turn your cruise control on. Once you've turned your cruise control on, you set your speed like you normally would. So say you want to set it to 60 miles an hour, you get up to 60 miles an hour and you press the set button. Now your cruise control is working, and you know that your cruise control is working because on the dashboard itself, hold on, let me just pull that up for you here. Alright, so on the dashboard itself, you'll notice this little screen here, which gives you a few rectangles and showing a road, essentially, is what it's showing you here. So now that road with the rectangles, each rectangle is going to represent a vehicle length. So each one that you set is going to represent one vehicle length. So currently we have it set to 4 vehicle lengths. So this vehicle is going to maintain 4 vehicle lengths between you and the vehicle in front of you at all times. Now moving back over to the left hand side here, after you've set your speed, this middle button here is going to be that function to allow you to adjust your distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. Plus and minus is going to change your speed itself, which you can do right from this little plus and minus here. Now the bottom right is going to activate your travel assist. So once you put that travel assist on, it's going to center you right in that lane and you can let go of the steering wheel. It takes over steering and gas and brake. The vehicle will come to a complete stop if it has to. So let me get on the road now and I'll demonstrate how it actually works on the field. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me back here. We are now currently on the highway. I am cruising at a smooth 60 miles an hour, and I'm gonna demonstrate to you how this feature actually works on the road. So now we have everything set up and ready to go. My cruise control is turned on, and I have now set my speed to 60 miles an hour, but I have not activated my travel assist. So my feet are off the gas and the brake. I'm not controlling anything there. It is now keeping track of everything, and now I will now turn on the travel assist. Travel Assist is now active and it's doing everything for me. So Travel Assist does combine your front collision or forward collision warning, those front sensors, as well as your lane keep assist and lane centering to actually physically make this happen here. So it's a very safe, it is a very fantastic feature, if I will add. So one thing you're gonna keep noticing me do here is tap the steering wheel. That's why I call it a semi-autonomous driving feature, because they said they want to make sure you're paying attention to the road and actually not falling asleep here. That's why you do have to tap the steering wheel every 10 seconds here. But if you pan over real quick to my speedometer, you will notice I'm not going 60 miles an hour, even though that's what I set it to, and that's because it is monitoring the speed of the vehicle in front of me as well and automatically adjusting my speed as we go on. So if I don't touch the steering wheel, this is what it's going to do. So you notice I just tap right back over and it'll just keep taking over for me through the turns and all.